Hello everybody, my name is Luis from Retro for the first time, but today I'm talking to you on behalf of Lordhair. It is time for me to do my maintenance, and I thought I would bring you along and show you how it's done, because when I first started, I know I was really scared. I thought it was going to be really hard to do and that I'd always have to have a professional do it, but I want to show you that you can just do it at home. I've actually already done the hair maintenance. This is it already complete, but I forgot to film the intro before doing it, so I'm doing the intro now. But I'm going to show you what it looked like before and then how I fixed it. So let's go do it. So this is the light UTS hair system from Lordhair. The beauty of this is that it's the light system, which means there's a lot less hair. It is a thin skin system. It is ultra thin. It is going to be basically invisible when it's on, which means more realism. So the first thing I do, I gotta wash this thing. And the next step is to take this one off. So I guess we'll just get started. Sticky, sticky, sticky. And while we're here, I'm gonna spray this one too. If you don't want to get your hands all sticky, because look, it's slimy. Ooh, sticky, icky, icky, icky. And there we go, nice and clean to put away for the next time. Next step is my own scalp. We gotta shave it down, make sure it is nice and ready for things to stick on. And there we go. As you can see, pretty simple. And now this is when you would take the time to cut your real hair, maybe like trim up the lines a little bit so they're a little bit crisper. All right, I'm gonna hop in the shower so my scalp can be nice and clean, and we'll get started with applying. I just got out of the shower, my scalp is nice and clean. I've also added the tape. I had recorded the whole process, but I kind of corrupted the video, sorry. And now it's time to take care of my scalp, so let's do that. I use the lace wig skin protector. This is going to help against, bacteria. It's going to like get rid of some of the oils on your head as well, and it's going to allow the hair system to stick even better. And then you let this dry for 5 minutes, and then you're good to get started. So now here's the hard part. I got to make sure that it's actually sitting on my head properly. You can just kind of unstick and put it back. So when it comes to measuring your hairline, what you want is about 4 fingers from your eyebrow up to here is roughly where you want your hairline to be. Don't be afraid of it being a little bit high. Naturally, older men have a bit of a higher hairline. You may have noticed I did nothing to the front. I wanted to make sure the tape was good before I moved on. Now that I know the tape was good, let's get some glue on the front. And now it's time for Ghost Bond. I like using this in the front because it is much thinner than tape, so it is more invisible. Now, I don't have one of those little wooden spatulas, but I got toothpicks. So I just use my toothpick to spread it out. And then just put it down and apply, and try to keep things looking half decent and straight. Here's the important part. You need to hold the hair down for, 15 minutes. Best way to do that is to like throw on a bandana or some kind of hair tie. That will help things adhere properly. So I'll be back in about 15 minutes. Obviously it's been about 15 minutes, so my hair is drier, so I'm just going to wet it a little bit. I use a bit of leave-in conditioner in order to be able to make the hair healthy and soft and resistant against heat. Time to style. And there we go, that's it, it's done. I think the results look pretty good, and as you can tell, it wasn't a lot of work. With Lordhair and their hair systems, you could just go on with your life. So have fun. I want to thank Lordhair for sending me this hair system and giving me the chance to teach you guys how I put my hair system on. Anyways, I hope you have fun, and I will see you later.